family. But today you are available, I am available. It's still midday, so we still have plenty of time. Maybe you can put your tripod there so you can,
I'm
for the benefit of your people.
Say that again?
Are you doing a front camera? So help us understand. How can Muhammad
Help you understand.
help me understand? How can
You asked me to help you.
help me understand? How can
Hold on. I haven't said I'm.
no,
stopping.
please don't stop. Please listen.
Is
Don't
that-
panic. Listen. Don't panic.
Is
Don't
that, is that your
interject.
catchphrase?
No.
Is
My
that-
catchphrase.
Is that your catchphrase? Panic. You said it last time when I was on Oxford Street.
When I started to
Seems
speak,
like a bit of a catchphrase.
you are interjecting. So please interject.
Sorry, one second.
Yeah. If you don't interject, please. Hello, my dear friends. Please, everyone, pay attention. Our lovely friend
Let me ask you a
is for the
question.
first time in his life now going to begin to make sense. So
Let me
let's
ask-
try. Yeah, please. Here. No. The question is here. I'm here.
I want to ask you a question.
How can
Hold on.
a genocide? How can? No. Please don't panic.
It's not gonna-
Okay, I'll ask you a question. You can ask me a question.
Excuse me.
Okay, let's take turns. Please come.
We've not even started anything.
Sure.
Not started anything.
My question. I can ask you a question. You can ask me a question. Please go ahead. Yeah, sure.
Right. So my question is.
Yeah. So you're going to ask me a
What's-
question, and then I'll ask you a question after that.
No,
Please.
it's not about. There's no debate and a question taking place or anything like. It's not a question and answer.
Are you afraid already?
Excuse me. Just,
You wanted to have a
Just behave.
PST debate
Excuse me.
8 p.m., 9 p.m. the other day,
Just be
and
a
now you are live. What's the time now? 4:30.
gentleman. Be a gentleman.
I'm very gentle.
gentleman.
I'm very gentle. So please go ahead,
Just wait for a second.
ask a question, and I'd ask you a question. We'll take turns. We'll
All right,
engage.
let's be
Cordial.
cordial. Come on.
Yes.
Let's-
Non-Mohammedan, please. Yeah.
And don't take shots like that.
Say again.
Why are you throwing ad hominem like that?
What is? It's not an ad hominem. I'm gentleness. Did Muhammad teach you gentleness?
No. Excuse me.
Did Muhammad teach you gentleness?
Excuse me,
Muhammad.
Excuse me.
The Quran says be harsh.
Arrow.
That's the opposite of being gentle. I am saying be gentle, which is like non-Mohammedan. So, please.
No, you're being disrespectful. We've not even agreed on anything, and you're just throwing things out there.
No, we are agreeing.
I wanted prior to even discussing
Sure.
anything with you.
Yeah,
I want to ascertain what you're trying to talk, what your intention is here.
sure. My intention,
We've not even started. I've not decided. I've not agreed on anything like that. I want
what
to
you've
know
done
your
so far
intention.
is only panic. I completely see. Now let me ask a question.
Behave yourself.
I'm very well behaved, my dear friend. Please listen.
Behave.
I will.
All I'm saying.
Sully. No, please
All I'm
listen.
saying.
Yeah,
All I'm saying.
yeah,
Look, I understand.
yeah.
You're a Christian.
Yep.
You come here. You don't like Islam clearly. We know that. You've been
Islam
here
is
for years.
terrible. No one should like Islam.
Clearly,
Yeah.
you don't like Islam.
Yeah.
Right? But it doesn't mean that you can't be a respectable individual.
I am
Be cordial
always
and
respectful.
make-
I am
we can
always
sit here
cordial.
And we can ask, we can talk to one another and
Yeah.
try to ascertain what our intentions
Yeah,
are.
and I
before we
began
engage
doing
in
that
debate.
a while ago,
Or
and you are the
discussion.
only one who's delaying. So
Sorry?
you asked,
No, delaying.
can we
It's not-
begin
it's
the
not-
discussion?
Listen. It's not about delay. Because you're interjecting, you're throwing things out there. I'm saying, please don't be disrespectful. Behave yourself. Do you understand?
Can we
Did
now
I-
start?
Did I take
You know,
shots?
no, fine.
No, excuse me. Listen.
Now.
Did I take shots at your religion or Christ or any personality within the Bible?
Okay. Now, can we get to the substance
Can you
right
answer
now?
that question to me, for me?
I
Did I take any shots? Did I take any shots? Yes
what
or no?
I'll agree. What you have done so far is only panic. That's all you have done so
that-
far.
is that as
Did
far-
you ask me a
excuse me,
question?
is that as far-
Did you You asked me
I
if I
refuse,
interjected.
man,
You are
it's jarring.
interjecting right
It's very
now.
jarring. Listen,
Don't interject right
My
now.
question is.
You asked me a
is-
question.
is the
I'm
word
responding.
panic as far as your
No,
vocabulary.
you
extends?
asked a previous question.
Is the word
I am in the
panic
middle of
as far as
answering
your
your previous.
vocabulary
I am in the middle of answering.
How many times? If
Would you-
if we put a counter here for
Who respects him?
the word panic,
Who respects him?
100 times maybe.
Who respects him?
I'll perhaps be a rich man.
I'm trying
But
to
I'll
have.
count every time
I
you
am
say the word.
trying to have a conversation with him, and so far we haven't managed to start the conversation. Sure.
Oh, I understand.
Good.
You're a Christian. You don't like Islam.
Sure.
But I'm just saying.
You're repeating right
let's
now.
try to ascertain.
Now, please listen. You're
What is
repeating
your
right
aim?
now.
I still have got an answer from you.
Okay.
What is your aim here?
My aim.
Yes.
I am a Christian. My brother here. We are Christians,
But it's,
and we are trying to engage.
It's me and you.
Sure. Yeah, I wanted to say yeah, absolutely. But this is my
Shall I go
brother,
and
so
introduce someone else as well?
no.
Is
We're
that
trying
okay?
to get a sensible conversation from you, and I'm struggling. You are a Muslim. I am a
You're
Christian.
struggling because you,
Yeah.
you can't
Sure.
behave yourself. That's
No,
what
you have started already. You asked me a question multiple times, and every time I begin answering, you cut me short again. Please,
Okay,
at
so
least
what's
this
my-
time,
what's my
at
question?
least this time, don't cut.
What's my question?
What would I want to accomplish right now? So at least right now,
what's your
at
aim?
least
What's
now,
your- go ahead, go
exactly.
ahead.
At least now,
ahead.
if you don't interject and listen, you are a Muslim, and I am a Christian, and you and I know a while ago, maybe 3-4 months ago, maybe 5 months ago, half a year ago, you wanted us to have a debate at around 9 p.m. in Oxford Street somewhere, while I was trying hard to get to my family sooner rather than later. And you were upset that I was leaving, and I said, look, I can't engage at that time. And given that that was our previous engagement, now that we are here midday and it's only 4:30, we could clearly engage in a conversation right now. I am a Christian, you are a Muslim. I don't like Islam, like you have figured out already. I think Islam is evil, and Islam no one should follow, including yourself. But you are a fellow human being, and as a fellow human being,
I'm not
so
confronting you on Islam.
yeah, no,
What's
no,
your
no,
saying?
you know, but and
I'm
so
asking the question.
I would like to ask you, challenge you on some particular areas. If you would like to challenge me, that's okay also.
No, that's
We can take turns. Is this good?
now just for some
Have
context.
you understood?
Right. Now, can I respond to you? Going to interject? Can I speak now? Yeah. All right. So just for some context. So you said that I challenged you while you're trying to get to your family. Now, anybody who's here, if you go to my profile and you look at the video of the last interaction between me and Arul, I was in Oxford Street. I was doing what I was doing. I was recording, and he came and interrupted me. He came and interrupted me. So that's inaccurate what you're saying. Be sincere, even if you do.
How
not
did
like
the brief engagement
Let's be sincere.
finish?
I was there in Oxford Street. I was live streaming.
And-
You came to me.
Yeah, I don't contradict. Yes, I was. Yeah, we
You
had
came-
come. Yeah, you
came
were
to me.
there.
I wasn't chasing you. Going
That
after you,
wasn't
you're
the
trying to
point.
get to your family.
That wasn't the
You
point.
made the point. You're saying I'm trying to chase you, trying to bait you, trying to get.
That's
to your
not the
family.
point.
You came to me.
You're
Anyone can
clearly.
find the videos
that-
on my profile.
That's
Go to
not
my
the point.
profile, check the video.
What did I say?
You came to
The last place where we wrapped up was, yes, he was there.
Yeah.
I'm not disagreeing with this. That's not the point.
But what did you
He
say?
was already
I was
there.
trying to stop you.
He was already there. And my friends and I, we were trying to go past him, and we had a little banter with him. And whilst we were trying to have a banter with him, he got all serious, and he wanted a serious debate at that time. That's the latter part of the brief, let's say, engagement back then. He wanted a debate. He wanted us to settle the issue back then.
The video is there.
That's where
The video is there.
it's so okay. Ignore. You are a Muslim influencer. I am a Christian. I don't think anyone should be a Muslim, let alone in the UK, across the world. And I'd like to engage with you on Islam. If you are a Muslim who is worth your salt, would you like to engage?
Right.
Simple.
So obviously you've made claims again. I'm going to respond to them because there's lack of facts in them. So he said about a banter, about his friends wanted to banter.
Ah, now you just want to waste time. Would you like to focus today? Focus on today. Ignore the other day.
I'm gonna respond to
Could
your
we
lies.
engage?
I'm engaging. You're
Sure.
responding to
Right
lies.
now, I'd like to
Right
get
now-
on top of some
right now,
topics.
I want to respond to your lies. I want to respond.
Should I call this panicking?
So,
I want to have a conversation right now.
Panic counts.
He wants to figure out if he brushed his teeth last week. That's what he wants to figure out.
The usage of the word panic from Arul, yeah? So we're perhaps at number 100 at the moment. So anyway, as I was saying.
Could we engage in
more
a
content,
conversation
more
right now?
content. That's what I'm doing.
Right now.
I'm engaging with you
The
right now.
topic right now,
Responding to
I'd
your
like to
lies in my
comment to you.
conversation.
How can
Conversation,
Muhammad,
responding to your lies.
how can
So anybody who wants to check
Muhammad
the proper context-
bring about
No, no, no.
a just
No,
and
no,
lasting
you
world
interrupted me
peace?
now. You interrupted me now.
How
Did I
can
interrupt
Muhammad-
you? Did I interrupt you?
No,
I'll
you
let
said
speak.
you're happy to
I'll
have a
let you speak.
conversation
I'll let
right
you
now.
speak. Now you interrupt.
How
Arul,
can
Arul, this is very-
Muhammad bring about
Listen,
a
if you're gonna
just
carry on like this,
and
we're not gonna
lasting
talk. We're not
peace?
gonna talk.
That's the excuse he's going to use right now.
Excuse me. If you're going to keep interjecting,
I have suggested a topic. Would you like to engage on that?
Excuse me. If you
How
interrupt
can
me-
Muhammad? This is the tactic. Look at him, and he thinks he is a respectable influencer. This is the respectable influencer.
The video on my phone.
Now, utterly clueless.
Check the guy.
No
He's
problem.
telling
Don't
the
worry.
truth.
Yeah, yeah,
Check of what he said.
Yeah. Everything is true.
He's
Don't
telling
worry.
the truth. Check.
Don't worry. What is true right now is I've asked him a simple question,
Be sincere.
a basic
Listen, even
a
if you
fundamental
despise
question,
something, be
and you are going to see him walk away.
Like, be honest.
Run away.
Be honest.
Run away. This is how he runs away. Please, look at him. He's going to run away. You want to stay here? Okay, then let's have a conversation.
Are you
How
hearing
can
yourself?
Muhammad,
Are you seriously hearing yourself?
how
Are you
can
hearing yourself?
Muhammad,
You just lied. The video is there on my profile. Sure. The
if
video
you
is there.
show my face also,
video,
instead
the
of being,
video, the
yeah,
video.
sure. I am here.
Sure. You want,
How
after,
can-
after that performance you want to be
How
seen still?
can
You wanna be
Muhammad
seen? You wanna be
bring
seen after
about
that? You
a
want to be
just
seen?
and lasting world peace?
Be
How can
sincere.
he do?
Be sincere. Be sincere.
Muhammad, how can Muhammad bring about a just and lasting world peace? Runs away. Why does he run away? Because he knows if he begins to engage, he won't have legs to stand on. So he runs away like a coward. But I don't break time. But I don't say that that's his problem. The problem is with the religion called Islam. Unfortunately, that gentleman, I don't know where he is ethnically from, he could be an intelligent man. Every human being has brain. Everyone. A lovely friend, she is a very beautiful lady, very smart lady, and she is here. Even though I don't know her so far, I can say if I engage in a sensible conversation, she'd be able to respond. Fred is an Eastern Orthodox. I disagree with him on Eastern Orthodoxy, but he's a lovely man. Apart from theology, we can have sensible conversations on all sorts of other things. Fred. So if I ask him a few things, he'll respond. Why? Because every one of us, regardless of the disposition we currently might have, God has given us a brain, using which all of us can make progress. All of us can find out what the truth is and begin advancing. But a Muslim, the place where a Muslim has to start is acknowledging the fact that Islam does not help in beginning to be intelligent.